Andrew Williams, Regency Petroleum's CEO.
Mr. Williams, we are sorry for your loss. Rumors going around that the petrol station is on fire. Just clear that up for us, sir.
I'm happy to report that Regency Petroleum's offices, head offices, infrastructure has been spared, is in good order, everything is okay, there was no damage to the building, it's okay. Regency Petroleum, the service station and the head offices are okay. Unfortunately, adjoining close by, there's a warehouse, family-owned business, which fire was contained in that structure, thanks to the fire department and everyone else who assisted. And we are here to assure our shareholders that Regency offices and service station is intact, in good order, and we were spared, and fire was contained in the adjoining warehouse.
The fire department did a good job. You want to say thank you to them, sir?
Thank you to the fire department and everyone else who assisted, all the authorities that assisted, and we special thanks to them to contain this fire and so that we don't have I didn't have any occurrences by our offices.
I know it's a bit difficult for you now, but can you just express how you're feeling about what took place?
Boy, words cannot express how I'm feeling right now, because Regency Petroleum was spared, but it's still a family business warehouse that was destroyed completely. So right now, I have no comments on that. It's a very, very unfortunate situation, but we are happy that no one got injured, no one died, and it could have been a lot worse. So thanks again to the fire department and whoever else assisted.
What type of warehouse was it?
It's a warehouse for tires and automotive stuff, and heavy equipment. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Based on the investigation and what you would have heard, are you able to say how the fire was started?
No, absolutely no comments. Upon further investigation, determined.
Well, your family is in grief right now.
Definitely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.